convert the decimal number 59 to binary. All right, so the first thing I like to do here is write out just the first, maybe, let's say 7 digits of binary, right? So we know with binary, the reason the prefix bi stands for 2. Okay, so each base is base 2, not base 10, right? A decimal number has a base 10. So here we'll go with 2 to the 0 power, right? So this is essentially the ones place, okay, because 2 to the 0 power is 1, right? So we're just going to write out these numbers with the corresponding powers as we go from right to left. And like I said, I usually like to go up to the 2 to the 6, or we can go up to 2 to the 7th if necessary, okay? Now remember, 2 to the 0 power is 1, right? So this place value is 1. 2 to the first power is 2. 2 to the second power is 4. So these are the corresponding place values that are in green here, okay? So what we want to do then is we want to convert 59 into binary, right? So essentially we're going to figure out how many 64s go in here, how many 32s go in 59, how many 16s, right? So on and so forth. Now, of course, we see here that, well, 64 is bigger than 59, so we actually don't need this place value, okay? So we'll just X that one out. Okay, but look at this. This is 32, right? So we know that 32 goes into 59 just once, right? Of course, 32 times 2 is 64, right? So that's why these place values are so important. Okay? So we know that we can put 1 times 32 in here. So now let's just figure out what's remaining, right? Okay, 59 minus 32 is 27. So now we've got to figure out, okay, how many times does 16 go into 27 without going over? And that's just going to be once, right? And then we'll do the same. We'll subtract 16, so we get 11. And then the next place value is 8. So how many times does 8 go into 11 without going over? Well, that's just once. So we'll subtract that and we get a 3 here. And you notice, well, wait a minute. The next place value is 4, right? But our number remaining is 3, right? So, well, of course, we can't, okay? And then what is our next place value? It's 2. So one of those can go in, and then 1 is left, so we'll put just the 1 there. Okay, so in binary, the decimal number 59 is equal to 111011, and of course this is in binary. Right? So remember, in binary, the prefix bi is 2, so there's only 2 numbers we should see in the binary, right? 1 and 0.